What's good, YouTube? Mr. Cashflow back today with another video. And in today's video, I will show you how to get a clean CPN number. Now, this is the number one most important thing where you're using a CPN, because you don't want to get yourself caught up in the jam by using a number that has been issued from a dead person. All these people who go into jail, the reason is because they're using a CPN number that was generated as a social and it was already given to somebody. So you want to go to this chart down here, and this is the state in your decoder. This is where you pull your CPN number from. What you want to do is also go to SSN validator and plug that number in. So if you get a number from here, you want to randomize the number until you find a number that is not issued. So you're going to get something that pops up and looks like this. Okay, so this is a valid CPN, meaning that this CPN number has already been issued by somebody. This is not what you want to see. If you see this, you cannot use this number. Okay, so it took me a few tries to find a good CPN number, and this is the code that you want to see. If you see this code right here, that means that you can use this number and it's not been issued to anybody. That's to a new car, a new apartment, home, whatever you need to do. Get some secured credit cards, build that credit up, and then go to the bank. Then about 3 to 6 months later, you can get a credit limit increase. You get that increase, invest that money into something, and then continue to make your payments every single month. That's the whole goal. Fix your personal credit. Go get you a new business. Go get some age corporations. Go put business trade lines on it, and then go get funding. Now that's $1 million play, instead of putting out a CPN and just burning it and not doing anything with the money. You want to learn everything about CPNs, every single play I know, then you can go to the link in the description and go to my pillar. Right now, we have a special deal going on for our second chance masterclass. This will teach you everything you need to know about how to build them correctly. We are only opening this masterclass for the next 4 students. Once the 4 slots are up, then this will no longer be available. So you need to take action now if you're really serious about changing your life. The only way to get to where you want to go is to be around people who are doing what you want to do. You got to be around people who are great at what they do, who do this stuff every day. If you continue to stay in your own isolated world doing what you do every day, that's the result you will get. The only way that you will get a different result is if you do a different action. Without further ado, it's been Mr. Cashflow, and we out. One love.